Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 F150 XL 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in outstanding shape. Really nice tires, wheels on it, beautiful condition. Let's give it a quick walk around and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's got those nice aftermarket bumpers on it. Wheels are original from Ford. Looks super sharp. Okay, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front fender, driver's side, beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Really beautiful shape there. Take a look at the front bumper, beautiful condition. Very nice. Headlamps, beautiful shape. Grills in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Got a small little chip mark here. Little chip mark there. Nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the front fender. Passenger side, beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Clean throughout. Take a look at the mirror. Mirror's in great shape. Looks really nice overall. Door's in great shape. Has a couple little marks here on the edge and here. Besides that, looks good. Has a small dent right there. This piece has some damage to it here. And this one also. Little moldings there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the bedside on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. This has a little bit of damage on this plastic here. Besides that, looks good. Walking around the back. Real tailgate looks good. Really nice shape. Very nice. Rear bumper, beautiful condition. Super clean. Really great shape. All right, take a look at the bedside on the driver's side. Really great shape. Has a couple little marks here and there on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Another little mark right here. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in great shape. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Look at the mirror. Great shape on this one. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new, very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the roof real quick. Roof looks good from here. Really great shape. Rear glass, beautiful condition. Bed liner looks good. Really great shape. Let's take a quick look here. Really outstanding shape, look at that. Okay, well, that's pretty much going to conclude our walk around here on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Taking a look at the roof real quick. Look at that. Very nice condition. Really great shape. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, really outstanding condition. Take a look at the controls, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. A little bit of cargo space there. Look at that. Storage. Really great shape. All right, take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. Beautiful condition. Really nice. Rubber floors are in great shape. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Take a look at the liner. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. It's got a little bit of storage there on the bottom. Controls for the power locks on the window. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition. As we showed before, it has a couple little scratches here on the glass. Can't really see them here, but got a couple scratches there. No big deal. Taking a look at the passenger seat in the front, beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rubber floors are in great shape. Beautiful shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Super, super nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2020 Ford F-150 XL regular cab. Key fob for it. Very nice. Lock, unlock. It's got one of those flip out keys. Super cool. Look at that. I'm going to start it up here. Here we go. Starts up perfect. Fantastic. All right, so this one here has 21,264 miles. Miles till empty, 64 miles. That's a nice feature on these trucks. All the gauges are fully functional. You've got the oil, temperature, transmission temperature, fuel. Really nice. All right, so we're looking at the RPMs there. You got your miles per hour. It's got a little information center here. Let's go click through it real quick. Looks good. All right, so we'll leave it on that for now. But yeah, it's really good miles. It's a 2020, very nice condition. All right, so you got some controls here. That's for the dash. Cruise control on the steering wheel, super nice. It's got volume control for the radio. This one has Bluetooth, of course. Controls for the lights. Here we go. Power windows, power mirrors, very nice. Power locks right here. Dashboard, steering wheel looks brand new. Look at the steering wheel, brand new condition. Very, very nice. Dash is in beautiful shape, super clean. Looks amazing. Take a look at the radio in the center here. Really nice. Traction control button. It's got the on and off for the engine if you want to turn that off. So it has that feature that turns off the engine for a little bit to save you some fuel when you're sitting at the light or whatever. So we have the radio, AM, FM, media. In case you want to go ahead and connect your Bluetooth device, there it is. For your phone. Really nice. Okay, down below here you have your controls for your volume and all that stuff here, your tuner. AC controls. Fan. USB. Power plug. Your four-wheel drive controller here. Really nice. Courtesy lights up here on top. Check out the liner. Liner's in great shape. Super clean. Looks very nice. That's pretty much it. You got your controls here for to shift the vehicle in gear. You have drive modes on this one. So let's take a close look here. You have your highway mode, your tow mode, and your sport mode. We're gonna leave it on sport mode, super cool. And then this is the controls for the wipers and for the turning signals. Fantastic. All right, guys, that's pretty much the interior of this one. Oh, it's got a plug here, another power plug there. So you got one on the bottom, you got one on top. Nice feature. That's pretty much it. Really nice condition inside and out, beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. All right, stay tuned. We're going to take it for a test drive. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. We're going to put it in drive now. Here we go. All set. It's got a really nice set of tires and rims on it. Drives super smooth. It's pretty quick. It's got a 6-cylinder in it, but definitely quick. Drives super nice. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and check out the backup camera on this one. So we're gonna go ahead and just back up right here. I'm gonna put in reverse. Little camera comes out right away. And then we just go ahead and turn the way we wanna go back here. So those lines turn depending on which way you're rolling back. So it's super nice. Look at that. Fantastic. All right, that's pretty much our test drive. As you can see, everything's in fully functioning. No issues at all. Drives really nice. Then the camera goes back to normal again. So we're all good. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at those tires and take a look at the engine compartment. Be right back. We're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in good shape. Very nice condition overall. Really beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in great condition. Look at the tire tread there. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Goodyear tires all the way around. Let's take a close look here at the rim. Beautiful condition. Very, very nice. Original Ford. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire looks amazing, brand new, very nice condition. Really great shape. Original rim, Ford. Looks amazing. Look at that. Really nice shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire looks really nice. Looks brand new, very nice condition. Goodyear tire. Very nice. Take a look at the rim. Rim's in beautiful condition. Original Ford rim. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new, really nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Take a look here. Very nice condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Ford F-150 XL. 4x4 6-cylinder engine. Beautiful condition. Really clean inside and out. Beautiful shapes. Got about 20,000 miles in it. Really amazing condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. NovaAutoSales.net. Thanks for watching.